learning how to make this reversible satin hair bonnet. It's reversible, can be worn either this way or this way, and it's so simple to make. You can make one for your personal use or for commercial purpose. You know what I mean? Now everything has to relate with money, so it moves so fast, like it sells first. So you cannot be on my channel and I not have another stream of income. It is impossible. And this reversible bonnet is so simple to make. It's within few minutes you're done. So if this might interest you, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike. I film about business ideas, do-it-yourself tutorials, food, health and lifestyle. I film from Lagos, Nigeria. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you, I really love you all. So today, like I said earlier, we'll be making a reversible satin hair bonnet. And this satin hair bonnet is so simple to make. It's very useful for all kinds of hair. So let me show you the materials we'll be needing. The first material is the measuring tape. The next one is our scissors. Then after this is an elastic band. It could be white or black. This is what I have. And the next thing is chalk. Could be any color. Then the pin to fix in the elastic. I'm sorry it looks so old. This is what I could get around. Please bear with me. Then lastly is the fabric of choice. For this tutorial, we'll be making a reversible satin hair bonnet, and you can choose to use two different kinds of satin, two different colors, but for this tutorial I'll be using just one color. And note that the best material for this kind of bonnet is the satin material. Yes, satin material. Please take note of that. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do to the fabric is you fold into two at first, then make sure you use the wrong side, like the right side facing the right side. So you fold into two at first like this, then you fold that two into four, this way, into two at first, then you fold into four equal parts. Make sure the edges are equal, please. So for this tutorial I'll be making hair bonnet for an adult, so I'll be using 12 inches. Yeah, so if you want something smaller, you don't want something full, you reduce the size, and if you want something bigger, you add to the size. So for this tutorial I'll be doing 12 inches. So we start by marking out at 12 inches. So we start by marking out at 12 inches. So 12 here. Then to this side, we mark out 12 inches here too. 12. So we keep marking that 12 till we get a round circle. And make sure your tape rule doesn't move away from here, so that you can get an accurate measurement. So let's go 12 here. So we continue that way. So we are done marking the 12 inches round. So we are going to cut it out. Just make sure you secure the fabric down with your hand. So I'm done cutting it out. Since we are making a reversible satin hair bonnet, we're going to need two of this. So I need to cut another one out using this one. Okay, so after folding, I folded remaining fabric before. I folded into 2 equal parts. Then I placed the first one we cut out on it. Then I'll be using it to cut out the second part we'll be using. So I need to cut it out now. Please make sure that the edges are both equal, that there is no disparity. So I'm done cutting out the 2 parts together. Can you see them? So I'm done cutting both parts together. What I have to do now is to join the 2 together. Still wrong side, still the right side facing each other. So I need to take it to the machine now and join. So I'm done joining them together. The 2 materials, I'm done joining them together. But while joining it, I didn't join everything up completely. Can you look at this? Can you see this? So this is the allowance I left to turn it inside out, to turn it to the right face. So I'll be turning it out now, choosing the allowance. So I'm done doing that. So I need to use my pressing iron to press out those edges so that I will have a neat job. Okay, so I'm done pressing it. Can you see how neat it is? We now have a very neat work. So the next thing I'll be doing is to creating the elastic allowance, making the allowance where the elastic band will fit in. So I'll be taking it to my machine now to make that allowance. Okay, so I'm done making that allowance for the elastic. So the next thing is to fixing the elastic. So for the elastic, my head circumference is 22. So I'll be using half of my head circumference, which is 11. I love the elastic firm on my head, so I'll be doing 11 inches of elastic for this. So I need to measure out the 11 inches. So for the 11 inches, I'll add one sewing allowance to it. So I'll be making it 12 inches. Can you see that? 12 inches of elastic band. So I'll cut it out. So the next thing is to fix in my elastic. This is where this pin comes in. So I'll start fixing it in. So I'm done fixing in the elastic, so I'll just make sure I do it this way. Our satin bonnet is almost ready. So after this, I have to take it to my machine to join these 2 edges together and also to join this place together. So let me do that now. I'm done joining it together. Our hair bonnet is ready. So let me dress up now and put it on. Yippee! So simple to make. In how many minutes I'm done making it? You can actually make one for personal use or for commercial purpose. You know me now. This morning we have to make it. So let me dress up and put it on. So I'm dressed up. Can you see my bonnet? Yeah, it's reversible. You can either wear it the other way out or this way out. So this is it. So thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upload. Also remember to like this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Also let me know the next video you would love to watch on this channel. Thank you so much.